Roy, and today we'll be using 123D Design for a CAD class.
Go for it.
Alright, so this is 123D Design. You start off and you'll pick a shape. It's got your basic shapes, a few more detailed ones, and if you want to get really creative, they've added glider equipment. They've added hardware. There's car parts, houses, robot parts, and so on.
And what's the purpose of this? Like, how do you guys use this in class?
When we did use it, we were creating children's toys just for a bit of practice with the program. It's a free program, and it works with almost every 3D printer because it's made by Autodesk, a really big name. So we'll just start off with a cube here, one of the shapes you can make the most with. We've got a couple different things here. We can rotate the object any amount of degrees. We can move it around, up, down, left, right. And we've got our resizer here. Any direction, just like if you're cropping an image. Then we've got a few more things. This is our magnet, so if we took two objects, we can stick them together, making for easier line-up. We've got a little more in-depth there of your sizing tools. And we can remove one object from another, so say we wanted to make a hole in this cube. You can put that in there.
And how did you learn all these different
Just kind of played
tools?
around with it. So let's say we want to remove one. Now we've got a good little hole there. Or we can merge two objects so that, just for easier movement, if we merge them, and if we try to move it or resize it here, it moves both of them at once.
Let's see some of the products that you've come up with.
We've got a couple things. A little while ago, we went down to the elementary school, and we made a set of toys. This is the cat that I was in charge of.
And did you actually make this toy?
Yeah. It's all just, simple shapes. Or the ears, I just used we have the rounding tool here. Let's see if I can... You just move it up and down and it'll round it to different degrees to make kind of half circles. And then we have our color bucket. So if I wanted to change this cat to a blue cat, just easy fills.
So can you bring this toy to life? Like, do you...
Yeah, we have a 3D printer, and I think there's an option here. Let's see here. No, that's photographs. Alright, yeah. To bring it to life was a bit harder. With our 3D printer, we had to take it and post it to the Autodesk website, and you can take it from there and grab your file. And then just on about any 3D printer, it's a standard STL file, so it should work fine.
Cool.
And you'll print it out, and there are full ones.
Cool. So how is this changing the way that you're learning?
It does make it a bit easier because you can use the AutoCAD at home. There's no way to do that otherwise. And it does help you. Really, it does help you understand the situation, how to make things a tad bit easier.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you very much for sharing.